On this day, we found a restaurant that lets you toast your bread on the table right next to the Glendale Galleria Mall called Foxys Restaurant. And check out what we just ate. Mr. 8 ordered the Gringos plate, which is kind of funny because it's a play on words. Then my uncle ordered the Santa Fe scrambled plate, which he scarfed up pretty good. And I got the country chicken steak and eggs and potatoes. Loving the southern western cabin theme and the vintage vibes, just like this vintage register.
Isn't it? And it still works.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Right by the unique vintage register is the dessert display, and oh my goodness, it's beautiful too. Which brings us to dessert. My uncle had to get the warm apple pie, and I had to get the cheesecake, and it's actually semi-sweet, which is good and Asian approved. It's definitely dog friendly because they have outdoor dining. But if you want to join the fun of toasting your own bread, then you got to dine inside and experience all the vintage vibes from the registers to Foxy's Restaurant. Definitely visit.